Let's get familiar with hot tub power supplies so that you can make the right decision when choosing a home spa. It is important to know that none of our hot tubs come with a power cable or plug. These must be provided by you and installed professionally at your hot tub site before your delivery date. Now, ampere isn't just a number, it's about safety and performance. A 13 AMP hot tub is more suited for smaller households and easier to install, often featured with our first-time family hot tubs. Working from a plug similar to your standard wall outlet, the electrics must still be installed with weatherproof casing, a safe distance from the hot tub. A 32 AMP hot tub provides a more robust experience, with power to run pumps and a heater simultaneously. Requiring an IP65 rated waterproof isolator switch, at least 2 meters from the hot tub, and 3-core 6mm armored cable, our higher-end hot tubs are often 32 AMP to support their invigorating massage capacity. Remember, safety takes precedence. Always ensure your hot tub's electrics are professionally installed before your delivery date and that you have enough cable to reach from your circuit board to the outlet or isolator switch, to the hot tub site location and around the base, plus extra so that our engineers will be sure to complete your installation. Because a well-prepared hot tub experience is the best hot tub experience. Dive into the details and make the right choice for your hot tub haven.